In this video, I'm going to show you in Google Sheets how to add in a hyperlink. So you can link to a different website or something like that. Let me show you how to do it. So I've got a spreadsheet on the go. I've just put some data in here. And what I want to do is hyperlink to each of these. So what I want it is if I click on it, they'll be taken to the Samsung website, the Apple website, IBM website, and so forth. So the way to do it, click in the cell that you want, right click, and then go to Insert Link. Now, these are sheets and documents within Google that I've already got open. And what you can just do is type in the link that you want or paste it if you've already copied it from somewhere else. I've got a Sony one there, but anyway, I'm dealing with Samsung. Now, what it's done is actually quite clever. It's actually suggested these. I can assure you I've never been on Samsung.com or the Wikipedia page for it. So it's actually suggested it. So it's really good. So you can just click on that. Yep. There we go. That's how I'm done. It's turned it blue. You know it's been successful. Let's do it for Apple. I'll show you a slightly different way. So once again, right click, insert link. It's got the suggestion, but you can just type it in as well. So apple.com, pick from the list, or just press return or apply. There you go. That one done. I'll show you copying and pasting. So here we have a Sony website that I've got open. I'll just copy that. I'll go to Sony, right click, insert link, paste, apply, and there we have it. And then if I hover over it, it appears. I can just click on that and it opens up the page. I'll show you for Apple. And also if I hover over it, I've got the option to copy the link, to edit a link, also to remove the link. So there we have it. Additionally, if I click on the cell with a link in it and I right click, I can go to edit link, and I can make any changes as I want. So this is actually changing the text, so I can say Apple Computers. Help me spell computers. There we go, Apple Computers. And the website say it stays the same, or I can make a change to the website as well if I wanted to. Click apply, and there we have our change. Anyway, hopefully you found this useful. Please subscribe to my channel for more top tips on how to use Google Sheets and other pieces of software and other websites. Like the video, it helps me a great deal. Thank you very much, and happy adding in those hyperlinks to Google Sheets.